Tomorrow will be better. A tank has length 8 meters, breadth 4 meters, and height 6 meters. To what height should a tank be filled to have 96 meters cube of water? You got it quite right. Though they said it's 6 meters, they are still asking to what height should a tank be filled to have 96 meters cube. Already this supposes that probably if this tank is filled to 6 meters, this might as well as might not be the volume we will obtain. So how to know it? Let's check it out. Follow me, dear friends. Solution. The first thing is to start by writing the most relevant formula to obtaining what we are looking for. What are we looking for? For a certain height. So what relationship will relate height to volume and then to other data that has been provided? We know that volume of a tank, in this case, which is rectangular in shape, will be given by the length times the breadth and then times the height. Clearly, everything has been given. The only thing we are looking for here is the height. Dear friends, do not be mistaken to think that this is already the height, because we do not know if this height will correspond to this volume. So we are actually looking for a height which will correspond to this volume of water in the tank. So the volume here is 96, is being clearly given, which will be equal to the length 8 times the breadth 4 and then times this height we are looking for. You have been taught, or you should know by now, that if you have the volume, the length and the breadth, to find the height, we simply divide the volume by the base area, which we obtain by length times width, which in this case will be 32 meters square. And if you do this well, we should have 96 divided by 32. If well done, we should have 3 meters. Okay, so just as we suspected, 6 meters is not the height that corresponds to this volume. To obtain a volume of 96 meters cube, we should fill the tank just to 3 meters. I could further ask you another question and say, what volume or what percentage of the entire tank does 96 meters cube represent? I repeat, what percentage of the full capacity does this volume represent? If you know the answer, put in the comment section. Tomorrow will be better.